Diabetes. Diabetes is a condition when the pancreas in the human body fails to produce insulin. Diabetes is such a disorder which causes sugar to build in bloodstream instead of being used up by the body cells. Incidentally, insulin is the hormone that converts the sugar in the food into energy. Insufficient secretion of insulin by pancreas results in excess of glucose level in the bloodstream, resulting diabetes. If the level of glucose is high, it eventually affects the important body parts. Symptoms. The person suffering from diabetes shows the symptoms like fatigue, hazy vision, excessive thirst, weight loss, and increased appetite. Causes. The main causes of diabetes are overweight or obesity, drinking a lot of cold drinks or soda water, genetic factors, sedentary lifestyle, gastrointestinal problems, smoking and alcohol, less physical activity, taking lot of sweets, etc. Asanas for preventing diabetes. Bhujanga Asana, Cobra Pose. From pro-lying position, start raising the upper part of the body without the support of hands while looking up. Benefits. First, prevents and cures diabetes. Second, improve digestive functioning. Third, cures cold and bronchial problems, kyphosis, obesity, neck spondylitis. Contraindication. Persons suffering with back pain and hernia should not do. Paschimottanasana Asana. Sitting with straight legs in front, legs stretched while trying to touch the forehead to the knees. Hands hold the feet. Benefits. First, relieves diabetic patient. Second, controls weight and prevents obesity. Third, back and leg muscles are strengthened and relaxed. Fourth, cures gastric, indigestion and constipation problems. Contraindication. Person suffering from heart problem, ulcers, hernia, sciatica should not do. Pavan Mukta Asana. In this asana, lie on your back with your feet together and arms beside your body. Breathe in, and as you exhale, bring your knees towards your chest and press the thigh on your abdomen with clasped hands. Breathe in again, and as you exhale, lift your head and chest off the floor and touch your chin to your right knee. Hold it there as you take deep, long breaths in and out. Benefits. First, prevents and cures diabetes. Second, improves digestive functioning. Third, cures obesity and neck spondylitis. Contraindication. Person suffering with back pain should not do. Ardha Matsyendra Asana. In crossed leg sitting, one leg is placed over the other so that the foot touches the opposite hip joint, whereas hand supports the spine while looking back. Benefits. First, controls weight and obesity. Second, shapes the body. Third, improves spinal flexibility. Fourth, back and abdominal muscles are strengthened and toned up. Fifth, increases the glandular functioning. Sixth, cures diabetes and arthritis, kyphosis, lordosis, scoliosis, and ball acts. Contraindication. Person with severe back pain, hernia, piles should not do this.